India's medical device makers are shifting their bases to Vietnam and Malaysia. The Parliamentary Standing Committee on Health and Family Welfare reports that delays, inconsistent timelines, and lack of transparency in licensing processes are driving these manufacturers away. Rajiv Nath, Forum Coordinator of the Association of Indian Medical Device Industry, highlights the need for streamlining processes, training webinars, and periodic meetings to address regulatory issues. So, what's the solution? The committee recommends a digitized and trackable licensing system with defined timelines and automatic notifications. This would promote transparency, reduce discretionary decision-making, and foster a more efficient regulatory environment. Additionally, the committee suggests establishing an independent industry advisory board to provide feedback, develop guidelines, and resolve disputes. Other recommendations include overhauling the query process, accelerating recruitment of qualified professionals, and promoting startups. What do you think India can do to retain its medical device makers and boost the industry's growth? Let us know in the comments below. Follow our MEDEToday channel for more updates and engaging content like this.